Hello everyone and welcome to our first session on React.js Nested Components. Introduction to Nested Components. Components are the building blocks of React applications, and understanding how to nest components effectively is key to creating complex, modular and maintainable UIs. So, let's explore what nested components are, why they are important and how to implement them in your React projects. Let's begin by understanding what are nested components. Nested components are components within components. In other words, a parent component can contain child components which themselves can have their own child components. This nesting structure allows you to build complex UIs by breaking them down into simpler, more manageable pieces. Importance of nested components. Some key features of nested components include modularity. Breaking down the UI into smaller, reusable components makes the application easier to develop, debug, and maintain. Each component can be developed and tested independently, promoting a modular approach. Reusability. Components can be reused across different parts of the application or even in different projects, reducing redundancy and development time. Clarity and organization. Nested components help organize the code better, making it more readable and easier to understand. Each component handles a specific part of the UI, keeping the logic isolated. For the hands-on session on creating nested components in React, we'll start with a simple example of creating basic nested components and then move on to a more complex structure. Finally, we'll see how to pass data between nested components using props. Let's start by creating a simple application with a header, footer, and a content area. We'll structure this application using nested components to keep our code organized and modular. First, we'll create a header component. This component will simply render a header element with the title My Application. Next, we'll create a footer component. This component will render a footer element with a copyright notice. Now, let's create a content component. This component will render a main element with a welcome message. Finally, we'll create the app component, which will serve as the parent component. This component will import and render the header, content, and footer components, creating a simple yet organized structure for our application. Next, let's extend our example to a more complex scenario where the content component has its own nested components. We'll add an article component and a sidebar component inside the content component. Let's create an article component that will render an article element with the title and some content about React components. Next, we'll create a sidebar component that will render an aside element with a heading and some additional information. We'll update the content component to include the article and sidebar components. This further breaks down our UI into smaller parts, each responsible for a specific piece of content. The app component remains the same, but now the content component has its own nested components, making our application structure more modular and easier to manage. One of the powerful features of nested components is the ability to pass data between them using props. Let's see an example of how to pass data from a parent component to a child component. In this example, we'll create a user object in the app component and pass it as a prop to the user profile component. This demonstrates how data can be passed from parent to a child component. The user profile component receives the user object as a prop and renders the user's name and age. This illustrates how props can be used to pass and display dynamic data in child components. Conclusion: nested components are a powerful feature of React, enabling developers to build complex, modular, and maintainable UIs. By breaking down the UI into smaller, reusable components, you can manage your application more efficiently and keep your code organized. That's all for this session. Thank you.